Hey, well, you ever heard of free-range potatoes? Well, we got some right here. Oh, there's some free-range potatoes. Oh, no, that's the zucchini. Now, here's the free-range potatoes. Now, they actually didn't plant anything. These were just coming up volunteers from last year. Now, you think you get all potatoes out of the ground, but you don't. There's still some leftovers. I'm going to let the volunteers grow. We'll see what happens with those. I'm not going to be planting the rest of this row this year. This next row over here, I'm going to dig it up, and I have a bunch of potatoes to plant all along there. That's going to be interesting. Okay, let's move on. Hopefully we get some free-range potatoes to eat this year. Be sure to watch our video on planting the potatoes this year, 2018. A little different in the Back to Eden garden method. So that video is coming up. And we have our intentional workbench video. A number of new videos are coming around the pipe. Stay tuned. Get working on those projects. Hasta la Proyecto. RH here, signing off.